Right, today we're at the Dolphin Hotel in Norfolk Square in London, near Paddington. This is a single room, and yeah, well, looks like I can't open the curtains properly. That's view. And basically, I'm at number 44 Norfolk Square. I had to go down to number 36, I think it was, to check in. So, but yeah, single bed, flat pillow. Oh, this is zipped up. This is one that zips up. So I couldn't tell you if this mattress is actually clean or not, but it looks a bit stained there. Don't know if any of that's picking up on the camera, but yeah, that's definitely stained. No, and that's the mattress, not the mattress cover. So, got a lamp. Oh, there we go. There we go. And, wow, that is amazing. Look at that. A shower in the room. Yay. Looks, yeah. So that's the light. Yeah. Looks like that might be broke, I don't know. But either way, I can't even reach, I'm afraid. Looks like complimentary shower gel. So yeah, clean, give it that, and the shower head definitely looks clean, no, but a bit, the vent looks just taped up. Yeah, looks clean. I just, yeah, I wouldn't like, I'm glad I'm only here for one night. That looks dangerous as well. All this needs sorting out. And the towel hook, whatever hook I think that's supposed to be, that's needs sorting. Broke. Mirror. Hi guys. So, right, what else we got? Got tea, coffee, 2 milks. Let's have a look at the kettle. It's only a tiny kettle. Cleanish. But yeah, it's only a tiny kettle. As you can see with my hands. So, hairdryer. And a shaver's plug. Hairdryer don't even work. Ah, it's not plugged in, that's why. Right, fan, and a fridge. Fridge that doesn't even work. Not plugged in, and it smells absolutely disgusting. Oh, TV, nothing is plugged in. Right, where's the TV remote then? Our remote controls are available at the reception with a £10 deposit. Ridiculous. Got one towel, Oh, good. Got an extra pillow. Got a blanket. Coat hangers. And the bin's down there. So for my finger, bin's down there. And radiator. Right, so how do I turn this on? Let's see, shall we? I can't even turn it on manually. Gonna have to use this chair to stand on. I'm unable to get the TV working without a remote, which I think is just disgusting. Pay £10 to use it, and it didn't stay on booking.com either, so which is quite annoying. So, well, right, next, we've got a toilet. So of course this is where we come in. I'm on the ground floor. So, yeah, we've got a sink, toilet roll, bin, again comes the soap, a glass, toilet roll, and toilet looks clean. Yeah, it's reasonably clean right now. It's light. Got a shaded light up there. Yeah, that works. It's a little plug set. This thingy for that one. Oh, it's the toilet one. So yeah. Yeah, it's reasonable, but that looks disgusting. Very dirty and dusty, as you can see on the camera. Yeah, so this is Dolphin Hotel, Norfolk Square. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like and share. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.